Beekeeping expert Sean McLaughlin is bringing out a swarm of bees that he caught and worked into a colony, and he's going to place them into the hive. It's hot, they're fussy, I'm allergic, so we're going to be moving around trying to film it, but staying the heck out of his road. He and his friend Ryan Lehman are going to teach beekeeping next year at Old School Survival Boot Camp. And move the bees. So far, so good. He's explained how you catch a swarm. I'm not going to attempt to repeat it. He makes it sound very easy, and I doubt it's that easy at all. There they go, off to their new home. Again, ticked off bees. Girl that's allergic, we're going to walk around his truck. I know, it's a Ford. I apologize to other Dodge lovers. He's still a great guy, even though he drives Fords. There he goes, right up to the hive. He's going to transplant it into a hive where all the bees died out over the winter. He and Ryan will be able to tell you why. We thought we did everything right, but apparently we did not. Bobby put a wrap around it for bees to keep them warm instead of doing what a lot of people do with hay or straw. Give them a little extra warmth. Sean thinks we may have gotten it too hot. Made it like a sauna, and all the water created when it cooled chilled them, which would make sense. They were all huddled around the queen that they got too cold, and we couldn't figure out why they were cold because they were wrapped. It's best just to let Mother Nature take care. As Sean said, they live in hives in a tree. The less help by man, the better, because there were no signs of any infestation or disease in the hive. Just dead bees. Here they come out. I'll try to zoom in a little bit without making anybody dizzy. There we go. There comes the frame. He already has them set up, turned into a colony, an established queen. They started making some wax on their frame. You could remove them from the frames and put them in, which is going to tick them off more, perhaps make them more unsettled. So Sean's going to put the frames from the nuke carrier box into ours, and then just flip-flop and take some of Bobby's frames back with him. So far, it seems to be going good. Sean's not saying run. You ever see a man or woman all dressed up in a habit like this and they're running? You may want to turn and do the same. He's inspecting each one, seeing how they're doing. He's afraid it had been so hot for the trip down here to our farm in the heat. We might have killed some. We'll find out soon. My friend Rick Austin, the Sarvis gardener, also an accomplished beekeeper. He says once they get settled in for the night at dusk, that's really the best time to transplant them. They're all there, they're calm. You're not dealing with the heat of the day, either then or first thing in the morning. So we kind of did this all wrong. But it seems to be going okay. We'll stop now and do a recap when Sean gets done. He can tell us how the bees fared.